this video, let's see how to install 20mm wheel spacers on your Tesla Model X and see what is the difference after installing them. Let's go. Loosen the lug bolt on the front wheel side in a diagonal sequence using a cross spanner, but do not remove them completely. Placing jack stands to support each end of the car would be a better safety measure. Remove lug bolt on the front wheel side using a cross spanner. Slide the wheel off the hub. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. If the cavity is not deep enough, we need to cut the stock stud. Then install the BONOSS 20mm Tesla wheel spacers, and the matching lug nuts and tighten them. Install the rim, and then install the stock nut. Use a cross spanner to tighten them on the wheel spacers. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground and remove the jack. Use a torque spanner to tighten the nut to the specified torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. The same operation is done for the remaining wheels. After installing the wheel spacers, drive slowly back and forth, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. BONOSS recommends checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle's operation to ensure safe driving. Hope this video can help you. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.